Ja Morant is usually the first to debut his signature sneakers, but the Nike Ja 3 Hustle and Flow surfaced online before he could reveal them. This bold upcoming release stands out with its mismatched design, each shoe featuring a different color palette. The right sneaker showcases a golden orange upper with red laces, while the left opts for a slate blue knit, lavender tongue, and volt-colored swooshes. Despite the contrasting colors, both shoes share signature Ja 3 features, including ZoomX cushioning, multidirectional traction, and 1MT branding at the toe. The mismatched theme carries onto the soles, which come in yellow and black with Ja's jersey number embedded. Though Nike hasn't made an official announcement yet, the Ja 3 Hustle and Flow is expected to drop on September 5, 2025. This eye-catching release continues to reflect Morant's bold style on and off the court.